berries, as you guys can see by the title of this video, I am going to attempt the wet look. I'm a little nervous. So right now, my hair was dirty. Just saying. All I did was drench my hair in some water, and I drenched it with this here. If you watch my video about my natural must-haves, you would know that this works wonders for me. So this is just it right now. Like I said before, my hair is not as clean because I know after I put all these products in, I'm gonna want to wash my hair, and I didn't want to like overly wash my hair. Yeah, let's get started. Let me just tell you the products I'm gonna use. So I didn't go to the store because I'm sure I have some products that can help my hair like be weighed down and for it to like, you know, stay wavy and wet looking. So what I'm using, I'm like, okay, let me just look in the bathrooms and see what I can come up with. This is what I came up with. The Ultimate Eco Styling Gel, of course, I couldn't leave this bad boy out. I got some Tresemme Holding Spray, All Day Humidity Resistant Spray, and I got the two Got to Be glues. So I got the spray one, the freeze spray, and I got the styling gel one. So I know my hair about to be stiffer than stiff. Let's see how it goes. It's so wet. Oh my gosh. Alright, so this is it right here. I just trimmed my ends. I think I trimmed a little too much. The water keeps splashing. So I'm gonna just keep this towel right here. Sorry y'all, but it's still growing. Alright, so I'm gonna start section by section. I'm gonna apply all those products I just showed you in each section. Let's just see how this goes. Wish me luck. Pray this works. Alright, so it's pretty drenched. Let's start off with the Eco Styling Gel. I'm gonna use a nice amount too. Add a nice amount. Slimy, 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 yeah. Alright, so that is pretty much applied from root to end. Don't forget your roots berry. I don't have a brush. My curls usually clump up pretty well. When I rake them, I use a raking method. I don't have a dimming brush. Am I a true natural and I don't have a dimming brush? I'm gonna use this next. I'm gonna use a nice amount. My hair about to be so stiff. Oh, I feel like I got 1,001 products on my head. I'm gonna just get my roots, because I think the key to this is having some very non-poofy roots. So I'm gonna get the Got to Be glue and put it on the roots of my head. I'm gonna spray with the Tresemme. I'm gonna spray with the freeze spray. That ain't going nowhere. Them curls not going nowhere. Them curls here to stay. They stand, they lease, and they not moving. I'm gonna do that to the rest of them. So we got one side that's finished. Like I said, I'm going to put this behind my ear, and I want this to be like the wetness in the back. So I'm just gonna do this side now. Like it's looking pretty good, but it always looks like this. The real test is if I can put a scarf on and then take it off in an hour or two and it still look like this. That would be the ultimate, okay, I'm gonna wear this out. But if it start getting poofy, I'm gonna put it in a ponytail. It was gonna be a fail if it gets poofy. And let's just keep going. It's so much product in my hair. Like I don't think my hair ever had this much product a day in its life. Alright, so this is how it looks. This side looks really good. This side, you know, it's still working. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just style it the way I want it. So we'll just, oh, it's in my eye. Put this behind my ear. So it'll be like this. Like that will be the final look. That will be flat. Like that. Put this behind here. I need more product over here. Like I feel like it's still poofing up a little. Yeah. Let me put a little more product in here. I'm just adding some Eco Styling gel to it. I just felt like it wasn't as product feel as the other one. I feel like it was just getting a little poofy. So I'm going in with Eco Styling. Going in with some more Gatsby just to make it stay down. Put that behind my ear like that. Little baby hairs out. I really brush my baby hair to the big brush. Like this is so weird, but you know, if you didn't know, I'm a lazy bum and the bathroom is at least 20 steps from here and I don't want to get up. So this side's gonna look a little more strange because I just put product on this side. But I feel like it's looking good. I'm gonna give y'all the 360. Ooh, all right, girls, all right. Ooh, ooh. How the back look, y'all? I can't see. I'm counting on y'all. How it look? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be extra. Just put this spray everywhere. The Tresemme, oh, it looks so dirty. The Tresemme humidity resistant, and it's a holding spray as well. I have my silk scarf. Let me hurry up. I feel like it's trying to puff up on me. I feel like the key is to tie it down early. I'm gonna put it all behind my ear, and then once it's done drying, then I can put it forward. The residue is not bad. Like I'm sure that's gonna dry clear, so you won't be able to see it. I'm gonna be a little extra some more and put a little more Eco Styling gel because I have faith in this. This is looking good. I got faith in this hairstyle, so I'm gonna put all my might into making it a good hairstyle. I'm gonna scrunch a little, not too much. Don't interrupt the curls too much. Just a little with the Eco Styling gel on your hands. Tie that baby down, because all this work is not gonna go I don't know what I'm trying to say. I'm just trying to hurry up and get this on. Alright. Just gonna tie it under, of course. And tie it not too tight. Like, not like, ooh, my hair hurt tight, but like, ooh, it's snug on my head. I'm gonna keep this on for, let's say, an hour. hour or two. Wait a minute, so I kept this on for 10 minutes, but I do have to go somewhere, so I'm going to use hooded dryer here just to go over my head. I'm going to keep the scarf on, but I'm going to just use this for maybe 30 minutes. You can get this from a beauty supply store, Walgreens, Target. I'm pretty sure they have them there. Alright, so I had the hooded dryer on for about 20 minutes. It's not a long time. It was hot. So I just want to see how it looks now, because I think I'm going to just like let it air dry. So let's see how it's looking. I'm just too thirsty for it. I got my edge brush just to get these edges intact. I'm gonna do a slight shake. Back is pretty dry. This side is just pretty wet. I am going to just leave it like this. I'm gonna stop touching it actually. Leave it like this, and hopefully it just dries like this. I can definitely come back. It may be in like a few hours or so. But I'm gonna do another turn around for you guys. You see it? I got all my products in there. I can smell these products just fuming from my head. Hopefully it stays like this. Like hopefully it dry just like this. Like no puff, no nothing. I'm gonna try not to sweat. I'm gonna just sit my pretty little self down, and hopefully it just doesn't do anything. Get back with y'all when it dry at least 90%, so you guys can know like, okay, I can try this, or no girl, your hair poofed up. But okay, I'll be back with y'all soon. So my hair is about 90% dry, and I'm liking it. Like, I think I did pretty good. I did not go into the humidity though. Like I didn't go into like the outside, but I do see a little shrinkage. This right here is cute. Like I will wear this when it's hot outside. Yeah, like I got movement. My hair not as stiff as I thought it was. Really nice. I was touching a little, so you may see a little frizz, but other than that, it's nice. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see me in my next video.